Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to get free Nitro Boost in Discord. Getting free Nitro Boost in Discord is tricky since server boosts are usually only available through a paid Nitro subscription. Join partnered communities, streamer servers, or NFT/GameFi projects that regularly give out Nitro. Keep checking game platforms like Xbox, Epic Games, or YouTube for trial giveaways. Some Discord communities or friends might be willing to give you a server boost if they have extra. Keep an eye on Discord's official announcements for any ongoing promotions. You have to subscribe to the Nitro option. Then it'll open the Discord website and make sure to log in. It offers a plan that starts at $2.99 per month. Nitro Basic costs $2.99 and Nitro costs $9.99. Next, click on Gift Nitro shown at the top. You can select the Nitro plan by paying a one-time charge of $9.99. Then click on the Select button and select the payment method. Enter the card number, expiration date, CVC, and name of the card. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.